is iterative or looping statements. In the iterative statements, it is categorized again into two types. One is pretest or entry control. The other one is post-test or exit control. The name itself, it is saying pretest. Before entering into the block or before executing the code within the given curly braces, try to understand what is the condition of it. If the condition is true, only then enter into the block. Or else you need not to enter into the block. This is what we are saying for the control to execute. In pretest, there are two important loops. The first one is while loop and the second one is for loop. And coming to the post test, that is, first you execute the instructions at least once. First you execute the statements at least once, then you check the condition. I'll tell you the two examples for this which you can remember it. First, let us understand, in post test we have one important loop called as do while. So let us see this. Once again I am repeating. In pretest we have for loop and while loop, and in post test we have do while.